Hello, assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So today we are going to discuss a very fantastic WhatsApp trick, and you can apply to the any app as well. So still you do not like and subscribe my channel, first go and like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting any update. So today we will discuss a very fantastic app about lock for apps. So what it will be work? It will be work that nobody cannot know that you have put it the password or pattern to your WhatsApp. Nobody can know. If they will go to your WhatsApp, so they will see like this, and here will not show that your status and calls, anything, it will not be show. So this is a very fantastic to use. They will think that there is a network problem, a reading message and something else it will come, so they will feel like this. So I'm gonna show you app how we can do this lock for apps. Okay, so you have to use this is very fantastic. I have put it the so here is a WhatsApp. The option was closed, then I open WhatsApp and setting as well, then installer. If they will go to the Google cannot uninstall this, so here is a uninstaller as well, and Google Play apps and fingerprint if you want to put an interactive cover, password, pattern lock. Okay, and many things you can do so on from here. So you have to click here, then after that you have to put this. And if you want to use this whatslock, so you can also put it to your YouTube and something else. Just I am going to show you this WhatsApp. So this will be closed, you have to on this, then after that you will click here. Okay, fine, then easily you can go from here WhatsApp, then you will not see the anything else. So this is very amazing app to use. I like this app to use, and you can put the password to it. When you will install this, so they will give you option to put the password that nobody can use this, nobody cannot uninstall this. And if you will put here, easily you can do here. So guys, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. This is very amazing trick for the WhatsApp. Okay, and nobody can know that you have put it the password, you have put it the pattern as well. They will think that internet is not working. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.